Weeks after successfully defending his welterweight title against Sugar Shane Mosley, Manny Pacquiao is still in the headlines, this time involving a controversy. Let's discuss as Kababayan LA starts in 15 seconds. Do you remember Stephen DiPianco? He's one of the three Filipino producers of the movie called God of Love, which won an Oscar award. Stephen actually is coming back here on Kababayan LA today to tell us about his new project. So watch out for that. Pero bago ang lahat, it's a Wednesday. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. My name is Janelle Sawyer, Kababayan in Los Angeles, and this is your Balita. Pinoy na Pinoy, Weekend Balita. Ronnie, hello and welcome to Kababayan LA. Pag-usapan natin ngayon mga controversies. The first one is coming from the Philippines involving our boxing hero and congressman from Sarangani, Manny Pacquiao.
Oo, no? Magandang hapon po sa lahat na nakikinig ng Kababayan LA, tsaka po mga nanonood yan. Ito po si Ronnie Laigo. Nagbabalita ako tungkol kay Manny Pacquiao, yung ating national hero. At mamaya po sa California governor naman, yung former governor, si Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yes, let's talk about Manny Pacquiao. First, nagpahayag siya ng kanyang pagsuporta sa RH bill, and it's not sitting well with some of his fans, some politicians, because as you know, it's a very heated issue in the Philippines, hot topic in the Philippines.
Yeah, kasi nung Martes doon sa Pilipinas, nakipag-meet siya sa dalawang obispo, na kung saan yung dalawang obispo na yun very vocal against doon sa reproductive health bill na pinag-uusapan mo, Janelle. Ngayon, mukhang ang sinasabi ngayon ng ibang politiko sa atin, ginagamit ba ng simbahan si Manny Pacquiao para ma-oppose itong bill na ito?
But really, you know, how influential is Manny Pacquiao? Kalaban niya dito yung mga artista rin, mga personalities na pro-RH bill, one of which very vocal is Miss Lea Salonga of Miss Saigon. Halimbawa ba, ginamit ng church si Manny Pacquiao na poster child for anti-RH bill? Sa tingin mo, yung mga ibang tao masasway?
Alam mo kasi a few months ago, sinabi ni Congressman Manny Pacquiao, he was opposing this bill. Ayaw niya itong bill na ito. Sinabi niya nagbibigay na siya ng statement, official statement niya. However, yung nagkaroon naman ng issue ngayon, yung mga anti-bill na ito, sabi nila, magiging civil disobedient daw sila, hindi daw sila magbabayad ng taxes. Hindi naman niya pinapaboran yon kasi alam naman ni Manny Pacquiao ang silbi nito at ang taxes ay mahalaga para sa ating bayan, gusto niyang tumulong sa mahihirap. So sinasabi niya ngayon, okay, sinusuportahan ko ang mga those who are opposing this bill, pero hindi ko naman gusto yung magiging civil disobedient tayo.
Yeah, pero sinusuportahan niya, meaning he understands the position of those that are anti-RH bill?
Oo, alam mo, minsan pag pinag-usapan si Manny Pacquiao, alam naman natin medyo controversial din siya as far as his family is concerned. Dahil nga alam naman natin, naling siya dati sa isang artista at mga artista rin ang sinasabi nila na sumusuporta sila sa bill na ito. Kasi ang alam natin, ang bayan natin ay punong-puno na tayo sa Pilipinas. We're almost 100 million Filipino people doon. So, kailangan talaga natin ang konting regulasyon siguro, Hindi naman ako'y pinopropose ko yung bill na yan, na pinopromote ko or whatever, Alam na naman natin na ito ay tutulong sa mahirap, na kung saan, mahirap na nga sila, wala pa silang control sa family planning nila.
Alright, and time again, Manny has always said his position has always been against RH bill. Sinabi niya na corruption ang reason ng paghihirap ng Pilipinas, not the large population. And he said that he's against it kasi yan ang utos ng Panginoon. Meanwhile, Ronnie, another controversy, this time here in California, involving the ex-governor.
Oo nga, si former California Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger, who already admitted that he fathered a child. At ang balita, mukhang nung buntis daw si Maria Shriver, buntis din yata yung household help nila, na kung saan ang identity raw ay si Mildred Patricia Banay, na mukhang meron nga yatang nakatira na nga dyan sa Bakersfield, isang biniling bahay ni former governor, napakalaking bahay nito. Now, she's now living with her children, although apparently mukhang nawawala raw kasi nga hinahanti yata siya ng mga journalists,
Right.
Ito na ngayon ang magandang kontrobersya dahil alam naman natin na this is not the first time. Marami tayong mga governors sa Amerika. si Governor dati na Mark Sanford ng South Carolina, no? Siya ay meron daw lover sa Argentina, nagpunta siya doon, nagtatago siya sa kanyang staff, hindi niya inamin. At yung dating New York Governor, si Eliot Spitzer, ganun din, ano? Siya naman daw ay nakipag, yata, yung mga prostitute, kumuhingi siya ng service dyan
Okay,
sa mga
Ronnie,
sa New York.
going back to California Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger, this is big because Maria Shriver and Governor Schwarzenegger, they've been married for 25 years, and just a few days ago, sinabi ni Maria that they actually announced their separation, and now it's coming out that the real cause of that separation was Maria finding out that Arnold had a love child who's now 14 years old. The household help just retired last January, and there are reports that the household help has actually been very supportive of Arnold. Walang mga threats, and Arnold on the other hand has been very supportive financially of her and her son. So I'm sure mas marami pang mga storyang lalabas kaugnay nitong issue na to. For now, Ronnie, thank you so much for sharing those stories with us.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
If you want more information, log on to their website, www.balita.com. I have a weekly column there. It's also available online. Para doon naman sa mga sinisipag, mag-grocery at mag-supermarket, magpunta sa Filipino restaurants. Don't forget to pick up your copy of Midweek and Weekend Edition. At sabihan niyo po ang inyong mga kaibigan at kamag-anak sa San Francisco and Las Vegas. Meron na rin pong balita doon. We are going to be back more on Kababayan LA. Don't go away.